Welcome to 2025, where customer expectations for Shopify stores have evolved. To stay ahead, it's important to understand and meet these new demands. First, mobile optimization is paramount, with 79% of Shopify traffic coming from mobile devices. Ensuring a seamless mobile experience is essential. Customers now expect personalized experiences. Tailoring product recommendations and marketing messages can significantly enhance engagement and loyalty. Implementing AI-driven chatbots provides instant support, meeting the demand for quick and efficient customer service. Sustainability is more than a trend, it's an expectation. Offering eco-friendly products and practices resonates with the modern consumer. A streamlined checkout process reduces cart abandonment and enhances the overall shopping experience. By aligning your Shopify store with these 2025 customer expectations, you not only meet their needs, but also position your business for sustained success. Stay ahead of the curve, optimize your Shopify store today.